here's a quick recipe idea using coconut chunks and prawns. A delicious salad. So let's get the dressing done first. In a jar, I have some chili. This is just a long red chili, along with some ginger. And I'll add some caster sugar, a very Thai-inspired dressing, and some fresh lime juice. We'll squeeze directly into our jar. And for some saltiness, some fish sauce, just a splash. The lid can go on, and we'll give that a shake. Okay, that sugar is dissolved in there, so that's ready to go. So let's assemble this salad. And these coconut chunks are fantastic to have on standby. They're frozen, so they're fantastic for smoothies or a salad like this. I want to shred this, so I'm keeping it nice and cold. I've just taken it out of the freezer. I'll pop it into my blender and I'll just pulse it 3 or 4 times until it starts to shred. Look at that, it almost looks like snow, light and fluffy, fresh coconut. Now place these coconut crumbs into a bowl, plenty, along with some fresh tomatoes that I've cut in half, some cucumbers that I've finely sliced. For some extra crunch, I love the addition of pine nuts. You could use some peanuts also, and some prawns, just some cooked prawns. I've left the tail intact, and I'll give that a quick toss. Finally, I want to dress this and bring it all together, and I'll pour that Thai dressing over the top and give it a toss. And we are ready to plate up. Pop that into a large bowl and show off the prawns on the top. That looks fantastic. Coconut and prawn salad with a Thai-inspired dressing. So yummy, so refreshing with those coconut chunks.